You guys need to listen up. If your videos aren't getting views, it's not because YouTube hates you or your videos are cursed or something bad happened when they were uploaded. It's because you're not uploading the right way. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to upload and optimize your videos so they actually get discovered in 2025. And just a heads up, I have a super exciting announcement toward the end of this video, so make sure to stick around till the end, because I'll reveal the secret hack I use to revive dead videos and turn them into viral hits. You won't want to miss this. Let's jump in. Hey everyone, it's me and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Here we talk all things social media growth. So let's dive straight into it. Before you even click upload on a video, there are a few steps you can take to ensure it performs well. First, rename your video file. Yes, you heard me correctly. Rename your video file. Take a look at these examples. Can you spot the difference? One file name is called Random Video, and the other one is called Best Practices for Uploading Videos in 2025. The latter has keywords that are SEO friendly, and more importantly, that file name will end up being your actual title. And yes, I know this seems like a small thing, but trust me, it makes a difference. Now don't worry if you already have a ton of videos on YouTube, you don't have to go through and change the file name of each one. For now, just focus on optimizing the titles and thumbnails going forward. Now speaking of titles and thumbnails, you're going to want to make sure to rename your image files as well. Think about it. Is this thumbnail optimized? How about this one? Which one would you rather click on? Hint hint, both are linked below so you can see what I'm talking about. If you didn't notice a difference, don't worry, that's okay. But let me spell it out for you. My first thumbnail had SEO keywords that described the topic of the video, whereas the second one didn't have any keywords at all. Not only does having keywords in your thumbnail help people find your video, but it also helps YouTube understand what your video is about. But wait, you may be thinking, isn't the whole point of a thumbnail supposed to be enticing? Like, we want to make people curious so they'll click on our video, but then they'll get to the video and be confused because it has nothing to do with what the thumbnail promised. No. Having keywords in your thumbnail doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the design. You can totally have an amazing looking pro-level thumbnail that includes relevant keywords. And if you need some inspiration on how to do that, check out this video right here, where I share 15 of my best performing thumbnails. Or even better, why not head over to Canva and search thumbnail templates for YouTube and check out what they have to offer. Pro tip, a lot of people tend to forget that you can actually click on thumbnails that are made in Canva. So if you're wondering how I created this clickable thumbnail, boom, there's my scene. Alright, let's move on to the upload page. Once you're on the upload page, you're going to want to start filling out the metadata that describes your video and helps YouTube categorize it. So let's go line by line, and I'll explain exactly which. Okay, first things first, your title. What should you include? You want to include your target keyword. For example, in the video I'm working on now, the target keyword is uploading videos. Now, once you have your keyword, make it attention grabbing. Try to get it under 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off. And remember to put your most important words at the beginning of the title. For example, my title could be read, How to Upload Videos on YouTube the Right Way. If I switched it to upload videos on YouTube the right way, it wouldn't get cut off, but it would lose its impact because people would have to read almost the entire thing to understand what the video is about. Next, we have the description. Copy your title, then expand on it with 2 to 3 sentences of SEO-friendly text. Include your keyword, then add a call to action telling people to click on the link in the pinned comment to get access to the free resource. Last, if your video is longer than 10 minutes, add timestamps. This lets people skip to the part of the video they're interested in, and it also signals to YouTube what topics your video covers. So for example, I'd add a timestamp for the introduction, another timestamp when I get into the upload flow, etc. Also a quick tip, if you have a tool that creates captions for you, which by the way is something you should definitely invest in, that tool should also generate timestamps for you, so make sure to double check those. Next, the thumbnail. Make sure you choose a high-quality custom thumbnail. The preview image is the photo YouTube grabs from your video to show as a thumbnail, and you definitely don't want that to be the image that represents your video. I recommend creating a thumbnail with Canva. You can click here to try it out for free. Pro tip, when you click the link, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom and sign up for a free account. This way you can save your templates, which is exactly what I did for this video. Links are in the description. Okay, now moving on to more upload settings. First, we have the playlist. When you add a video to a playlist, it also gets added to the playlist's channel page. So make sure to add your video to the playlist that makes the most sense. A good rule of thumb is to add your video to a playlist that has a similar name to the video. For example, if the video is called How to Edit Videos on iPhone, add it to the How to Edit Videos playlist. Next, we have tags. Tags are additional keywords that help describe your video. So stick to keywords that are similar to your topic and make sure not to spam tags like subscribe, comment, like, etc. Next, visibility. This is the unlisted option. It allows your video to be seen by anyone who has the link, but it won't show up on your channel or the channel's homepage. Public means your video will show up on your channel and the channel's homepage. Private means the video is only visible to you and anyone you share the link with. And finally, audience. If you're targeting kids, you'll need to select the appropriate option. Once you're done with all that, click the visibility tab and click publish. We're not done. Let's move on to the next section. After you click publish, there are still a few things you can do to ensure your video is optimized. First, add an end screen. End screens appear at the end of your video and they're a great way to push people to other videos or ask them to subscribe. Second, add cards. Cards appear on top of your video and they're also a great way to keep people engaged. Third, schedule your video. You can schedule your video to automatically publish later. To figure out the best time to publish, go to YouTube Studio, then Analytics, then Audience, then click the graph icon. After that, drag the view by option to day, week, month, whatever. You'll get the idea. Now you can visually see when your audience is active and you can schedule accordingly. Fourth, share a smart link. A smart link ensures your video opens directly in the YouTube app. A platform has a limit of 10 million daily views, so if you're expecting a viral video, you'll want to consider sharing smart links. And the best part is that it's super easy to create a smart link. All you have to do is use a service like OpenAnApp.com. Fifth, post on the community tab. Post on the community tab 2 hours before your video drops. This lets people know your video is coming and it also boosts engagement. Now we're officially done with the upload process. It's time for the final section. So now that your video is uploaded and optimized, what do you do next? Well, you engage. The YouTube algorithm favors videos with high engagement. So you need to reply to every single comment on your video within the first 24 hours. Doing this signals to YouTube that your video is engaging, and it encourages people to watch the video, which leads to more views. And if you're wondering how many comments you should be getting on your videos, I have a full video dedicated to that. I'll link it up here and in the description. And what happens if your views are low? First, check your first 30 seconds. Is it interesting? Is it clear what the video is about? Does it include your keyword? If the answer is no to any of those questions, you'll want to make improvements. Second, test a new thumbnail plus a new title. Sometimes all you need to do is change the thumbnail and the title to get more views. Third, cut shorts and reels from the video. Shorts and reels drive a ton of traffic to YouTube. So if you haven't tried that yet, definitely give it a shot. Pro tip, if you're taking clips from your long-form content to create shorts and reels, make sure to add subtitles. Subtitles help draw people in, and they also help your audience expand beyond people who watch your videos with sound on. And that's it. That is how to upload your video the right way. If you want more YouTube growth hacks like this, download my free YouTube optimization checklist in the description. And don't forget to hit subscribe, as I post weekly tips on how to grow and monetize your channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.